100% pure snake oil by Gadget Man. It's the real deal. All right, hi everybody. Today's April the 8th, isn't it, Steve?
It is April the 8th.
April the 8th, 2020. Yeah, I'm in Cayucas, California with this gentleman here. His name is Steve.
How you doing?
All right, so Steve, you want to tell us about your car here?
2013 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Just do the regular oil maintenance on it. Nothing too tricky with it.
Okay, so you've agreed to be a test subject, so to speak, right?
Never heard anything about this
All right,
yet.
so now what we're going to do is we got it running here. Would you? How about you hold
Sure,
that?
you bet.
All right, because this stuff starts working in seconds. I did a Mercedes earlier today, and after it was running for about a minute, all of a sudden it just quietened down. It's just
Really?
amazing. I've seen it happen in seconds and up to a couple minutes. And all we do is just take this syringe, it's snake oil,
Yeah.
and just, that's it.
Well, that's
This
easy.
is the engine. It should start calming down almost immediately. And I've already got 3 customers reporting double their gas mileage, Steve. All right.
You can hear it kind of humming.
Yeah. Isn't that cool?
Yeah, I just don't understand it.
I was out in Harmony, and I had this man with Volkswagen, the Westphalia,
Yeah.
right? And he said, "Man, this thing runs great, yeah, but so he went to start it up, and all of a sudden, it didn't run so good. And I don't know what was wrong with it, but I put this in the oil. I mean, I looked at it, tried to figure it out. I couldn't.
Yeah.
Put this in the oil, problem went away. So
That is
anyway,
amazing.
but you see, it sounds better already.
It does. It's like humming real smooth all this.
Right, well, I'm going to ask you a solid, okay? Once you run up to the highway up there,
Okay.
come back around the other exit, come down this way, and
Yeah.
come right back here,
Okay.
all right? And we're going to see if he can tell the difference in the way it runs.
That's gonna be awesome.
We'll be back shortly. Well, Steve is just pulling back in from his little loop. Let's see what the man's got to say. Well,
Wild. Okay, so I'm not a car guy, but
Uh-huh.
I can tell you it had a little bit of just a stress noise, like and now it seems to be completely calm and cool, almost like it's not even on.
yeah.
That is crazy. I still don't understand it though.
You like that stuff, huh? Yeah, cool.
I just don't.
Why don't you go ahead and open it up and let's see how it sounds now.
Aside from the guy trimming the bushes over there,
Yeah.
but,
This
Yeah,
is
it is
this is
just-
good.
humming.
Yeah. Isn't that cool?
The noise that you're hearing is from the guy trimming the hedges.
Oh, it's not this thing? No, I think it's the guy
It's that guy.
over there. All right.
This used to sound like that. Now you can't even hear it. This is great.
Isn't that cool?
It is great.
Amazing, right? That was less than 2 teaspoons full.
And less than 5 minutes. I mean, it's
Huh?
not even that big of a
Right.
super cool.
Yeah, so that's good. Well, thank you. I appreciate that. All right.
I got your card. I'm gonna. Yeah, I got your card.
Great, great. And I put up on Nextdoor Cayucas
Yeah.
that I was looking for 20 people.
Oh, perfect.
All right, for
Okay.
exactly this.
Oh, good. Well,
so
I win. I'm
tell
one
your
of them.
friends.
Yeah,
All right.
absolutely.
All right, so guys, once again, you can see, well, dynamite does come in small packages, but the impossible can be done. And I try to do it every day. But no matter what else, snake oil at snakeoil.wtf is the domain, because that's the kind of response you get, right? WTF?
That's what I'm thinking right now.
All right. So anyway, check it out. The prices are low. I mean, very low. 1 dose a year will do you. Anyway, I'll say God bless y'all richly and warmly. And as always, remember to smile for a stranger today. You will both be glad you did. Won't they, Steve?
Absolutely.
All right. God bless y'all. Bye-bye now. Order yours today at snakeoil.wtf. You'll be glad you did.